Hi, welcome to my video section on how to design a WordPress site. In this my course outline, I'm going to be showing step by step what we are going to cover on this video. First of all, creating a website. Presentation objective, audience, our website hosting work, module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5, module 6, module 7, module 8, module 9. Then here we are going to be talking about search engine optimization and SSL. Module 10, we are going to be talking about administering user accounts on WordPress site. Then optional module, comment and discussion. So in this workout, I'm going to show you full optimized website with WordPress. I'm going to show you step by step on how to achieve a good design of WordPress site. So I want you to watch this course and subscribe to the course. Thank you very much.